Salmon is the healthiest to buy, why black-skinned avocados are best for you, and how to get the most juice out of a lime. We're cooking with Chef Jill DeHaan. She's the author of the cookbook Starting Fresh. She's going to make pineapple salsa over tamari poached salmon. Sounds delicious, Jill. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing this morning?
Fine, thank you. This really is a healthy recipe, a heart-healthy recipe.
It is healthy, but it doesn't taste healthy, so you can serve it to unhealthy people.
Okay.
And so we're going to get started just explaining a little bit about the fish. I have a little bit of a fish tail before we start.
Yes.
And first of all, if you'll notice, I wore color-coordinated clothes with my salmon.
You did.
And
nice
so yes, but you don't have to do that to make this dish, okay? And basically, before I learned how to cook, I was cooking for a friend of mine that was a chef, and she said basically, I made this great fish dish. I was so proud of it. And she said to me, she said, "This is so good." And I said, "Oh, thank you very much." I was beaming. And she said, "Well, the fish did have something to do with it." So you need to remember that. The fish needs to be fresh, and it has a lot to do with it. Okay, so we've got 2 pieces of salmon here, and I just wanted to point out, this is a wild Alaskan king salmon, and this is a farm salmon, but it's farmed from Norway, so they haven't added all the antibiotics and colors. And as you can see, it's not as red as the natural one that eats krill and shrimp and gives you all those nice omega-3s that are really good.
Okay.
So this is in season right now until the end of July. So if you can get some of the wild Alaskan, it's really fantastic. Look out for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pan, and I've just lined it with a bit of parchment paper because we want to leave the skin on because, and actually, it's best first thing first, smell. Does it smell fishy?
It smells great.
Okay, so if it smells fishy, it's old.
Yes,
all right, so don't be
fishy.
afraid to ask your fishmonger if you can have a little smell. Okay? All right, so we've got that on there. We're just going to put a little tamari on there. A tamari is a great thing if you're a wheat-free diet, or if you just want a little bit more flavor. It's different than soy sauce. It's made just with soybeans, and it's made with a little salt. You can get reduced sodium too if you're watching your sodium levels. So we got a bit of that, and then we're just going to put some lime or lemon on it. And this is my greatest trick. Limes don't have seeds, so you can just squeeze away like this and not worry about any seeds. And then you can do your old inside-out lime trick. So you just kind of like turn it inside out, get every list of juice out there, and have it like that. And then we're just going to stick it in the oven on a high temperature, about 400, probably for about 20 minutes, depending on how thick your fish is.
Okay. Doesn't take very long to cook salmon.
Here we got one out already that is just beautifully done. And you can eat this, if you get it sushi grade, you can eat it fairly underdone or kind of, medium rare as well. So now we're going to make our salsa. And here, what we're doing here is we've got some fresh ginger in the bowl, and we've got some garlic and a little avocado. And these are black skin, so they have all the nice oils in there, and so they're great for your brain. They're like brain food. Okay. And if you just cut them in half like so, and then I just don't cut through to the skin, but just do a little crisscrossy exercise with here, okay? Then you can do the inside-out avocado trick as well as the inside-out lime trick.
Very simple, yes.
So no worries about getting the perfect little piece. And then we got nice
all over
gooey
your
things.
hands,
All over there. And then what we'll do is we'll just add the other things. So we just took some fresh pineapple, but you can use frozen if you want. And we've got some mango in there. And fresh mangoes are in season right now. So otherwise you can I use a diced frozen one, okay?
Okay, and that's fine too.
Absolutely. Just make sure it doesn't have any sugar. Okay, look at the ingredients. Mango should be the only ingredient, okay? And then we've got some red pepper in there. That's not the hot one, just the sweet one. We've got a little red onion, but you can really use any kind of onion. And this is a great recipe because if you're short one of these ingredients, don't sweat it, okay? Just throw in whatever you have. Not chocolate chips, but other than that, everything else is good.
We got you.
Yeah, and then we got a little bit of hot pepper just to give us a zing.
Oh, this is beautiful.
And
this
just
is so
give it
beautiful.
a stir. Do our inside-out lime trick again. Add a little bit of rice vinegar in there. Whoa, there we go.
I hope everybody who's watching goes to the website and prints this and makes it.
Yes, it is so fresh, and it's great. You can do this over chicken too, okay?
Yes.
And if you're vegetarian, you can eat this, as well over like quinoa or rice as well. It's a very good, healthy thing. And then we're just going to get a little rice vinegar, stick that in there, and kind of get it going.
Beautiful.
So let's plate it up so you can have a taste. So we're going to get some of this on the plate, give you a healthy dose of that.
Jill, let me ask you this. If you made this salsa ahead of time, would that be okay, or does it not keep very long?
Absolutely. It's like us. It ages well. So it absolutely is fantastic. So make it ahead, keep it in the fridge, keep it room temperature, and the flavors will meld even better. So, and then we're just going to get our salmon out. And the reason I like to cook it with the skin on is it gets those nice oils and everything, and it's really delicious. So I'm going to take this as a this is a king daddy. So we've just left the skin in the pan, you see?
My.
And then we've got a few of the little juices, which we're just going to drizzle over the top like like so.
This is something I would love to eat.
And,
this is right up my alley.
Yes, I love this, and my boys love this.
May
and
I
can use
taste
this for
it?
entertaining. Please do.
You
Yes.
Tell people about your cookbook and where they can get it while I'm eating. Does that sound like a plan? Okay.
Yes, my cookbook Starting Fresh has over kind of 150 recipes that are really easy, healthy, minimal ingredients, minimal preparation, so you can do them when you're working or if you just don't like to be spending too much time in the kitchen.
I
and
love this.
and I'm raising money for Boston Children's Hospital with the proceeds.
Yes.
So.
Proceeds from the sale of Starting Fresh go to Boston Children's Hospital. It's a wonderful thing. I gotta hug you. We gotta hug it out. I love this. I love this. It's delicious.
Great. Well, your boys will eat it too, won't they?
Oh, yeah, they love salmon.
Yeah,
they love fish.
fantastic.
Oh, this is so good, Jill DeHaan. Thank you so much.
No, thank you so
Nicely
much for
done.
having me.